Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be playing War Thunder with a flight joystick, which is something new to me, which means I won't be very good at it, but it's all about practice. The joystick I'm using is the Thrustmaster T-Flight HOTUS 1, which is, I don't know, around 100 and something New Zealand dollars normally. It's a decent stick for its price, you get good quality out of it. But otherwise, other than that, let's get into the video. Right, so I'm going to be using the joystick on the UK Tech Tree. I'm going to have a couple planes. I'll do maybe a game or two. See how well I go with it. Probably not going to be very good at it, but I don't know. I guess we'll see. So we'll use the Spitfire first. Why not? Might be easier to do it first person. As you can see, very fine movements move it quite a bit, so it'll be semi-difficult to control maybe. But I guess we'll see how I go during the fights. Another Spitfire right in front of me. Got multiple aircraft which I could fight. Do I want to? Probably not. They will probably kill me, but I'll give it my best shot. Oh my god, damn. I don't know where they are. They're right there. Pull up. Where'd he go? Oh my lord. I feel like I'm pretty damaged. I have 3 planes on me. I've lost all my speed. Oh, he's on my tail. No. Well, that went well. Very well. Okay, maybe let's just try the next plane with it. Right, we are now on the Wirraway, which is, I'm assuming, from what I've seen, an Australian attack aircraft. So, I don't know, we'll see how it goes. We've got a wee group of planes over here, so we'll see how we go with this. Shooting them, fighting them. Now I'll give, after maybe a game or two, or maybe just this one, at the end I'll give my honest review on whether or not War Thunder with a joystick is worth it, or if you should stick with keyboard and mouse or a controller, whatever you use. For now, I'm just going to work on trying to get a kill. If I can even aim. Right. I've got multiple aircraft on me now, so that's good. Oh my lord, and I've been pilot sniped. Okay, that's great. Good to know. Another thing with it is that it is very hard to stay straight unless you make the most precise movements ever, which can be very difficult sometimes, but I guess it's all about practice. So I do have a bomber now, which means I can bomb something, but I don't imagine I'll be needing them, so I may just drop them on one of the points maybe. I think I'm not as maneuverable. I might remove my bombs just so I can maneuver properly, which I don't know, may have worked slightly. I'm not too sure. We'll wait for them to land. Splash. Let's see how we go fighting this wee guy down here. So I just missed all my shots. If I can get on this guy's tail. Oh, maybe there's someone on my tail. Well, that's just great. So it turns out I'm not very good at joystick. I feel like, yeah, it isn't maybe the best with a War Thunder, unless you have certain settings on it which make it easier to control, or maybe, I'm not too sure, but I'll have another. We fly around. And we have a couple of planes over here. I have yet to get a single kill, let alone many points. And I'm just gonna get annihilated very soon. I know it. And I've just been pilot sniped again. That's great. Oh, there goes all my planes. So I feel like that it may just be me, but I'm not very good at flying with joysticks in War Thunder. I know I'm most definitely better in other games, but this one definitely might need some practice. So overall, I think if if you have a joystick, you can give it a go, and if you don't like it, you don't need to use it. But in my personal opinion, it isn't the best, maybe because I'm just not good at it, but I'd much rather prefer a keyboard and mouse, not really controller. But I don't know. Depends on what your preferences are, I guess, and how used to flying with a joystick you are, especially in fighter games. But anyways, that'll be it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. I know that's what everyone says, but I would mean it if you do. Um, yeah, thanks a lot for watching, guys. See ya.